So here I have a set folder I created in the Horizon connection server. In C drive set folder, which I have shared it. So let me access that from my Windows 10 desktop. Go to here, I'll update turn on discovery and sharing so that this can be, I can access. Go to network and okay, still it is not able to. Well, one more thing I can do is I can go to my Mac, and in the network I do see uh, what is the VM name is. Here I can check what is the VM name. Okay, no, I need to check what is the VM name here, properties, and AGT58DE. So I, yes, this one. So I connect as, so this is administrator and denied as connect as your guest, no registered user, because okay, well, so how do I get it? So here C drive, okay, networking, I exported it. Why it is not coming? Let me check if this is shared. Properties, sharing, yes, it is shared. And so let me check it here again, if I can get it here. If it is really shared, I can see the folder. DC, it's showing domain controller, and it is showing the desktop here, right? Okay. And why I cannot see it here? Okay, it's showing only the domain controller set folder. Okay, so this is what I had actually, agent, and yes, so this is in the domain controller I have it. So network, go to DC, I'll connect as administrator, password, and set folder here. So what I'll do is I'll copy everything to local here in the set, paste. So this is local now, and this is the Horizon agent. I'm going to double click here so that it is installed. Okay, so I'm going to follow again the same document. See here, accept, pretty straightforward. So I'm going to do it here. Next, accept, and IPv4. Well, now here, what we need to change. You see here, pretty much straightforward core, VMware Horizon install, clone, agent, studio, and integrated printing. These are the things we need to install, and all of the like scanner, smart card, serial port, and SDO sensor need to be disabled. Let's do that. So these are all common, and SDO generation, performance tracker tracking, and SDO. Okay, we are looking good. Enable remote desktop capability, yes, and install. That's it. So our Horizon agent is getting installed now. After that, what? So here, go again and follow along, and here restart the VM. All right, it is installed. Now we need to install dynamic environment manager agent, right? And that already have my software here. If you check, I'll restart it, but after that we need to install the VMware DM Enterprise Manager here. I have already, this is a zip file, so I'll extract all here. It is better I extract it now itself. And here we are. Okay, and let's check it. Is it finished? And yes, restart. Once it is restarted, we need to install the dynamic environment manager. Once this gets installed, then what we need to do is we need to optimize it. So here we need to install the Windows OS optimization tool, so which will actually do the optimization, generalization, and it will finalize the OS. It will basically what we will do is we'll remove unwanted software and we'll customize it so that it is a generic one which can be customized later. And that's the intention of this OS optimization tool. And let's see if, okay, it got restarted here, so I'll cancel it again and go back to my folder here, and this is the folder. And here what I'm going to do is install the XXT4 one, dynamic manager enterprise. Next, accept, next, and next. And here it is, I believe it's showing typical. There's no just pretty straightforward thing. Typical, just do it typical and click and install. That's it. Finish. After this, what we need to do is we need to go and install this OS optimization tool and accept the OS optimization, accept the agreement. Next. Well, this will take some time. So first thing first, what we'll do is we'll analyze it. So this will be analyzed. And after that, here, click common options, and all other things, just disable firewall, disable antivirus, and disable security center. And these are the three things we need to do. And after that, we'll put optimize, we'll click optimize, and this will take some time, in fact. And once this is over, okay, this is going fast. So once this is over, we'll generalize it, and we'll click generalize, and then we'll do finalize. So generalize will take some time, finalize also will take some time. So stay tuned, I'll just pause this video before I restart it again.